Hello guys, welcome to Earn in Dollars. In today's video, I'm going to show you a really money making platform that's going to pay you in Naira for posting on their website. And this our platform is in Nigerian, is a Nigerian platform. So I'm going to tell you in this video, what you need to do is to come to this place and type Myschool.ng. You can see. Then this where how we're going to bring it for you. This is the Myschool.ng. The next thing to do is to click your profile. If you don't have an account with them, you can sign up for an account. So this is my account, and for you to earn money, just click on my earnings. After you have created your account, you can see dashboard menu, transaction log. Your current balance is 0.00 naira. To increase your earnings, we have to read this for you to know. You can see money making programs for students on Myschool.ng. Can now see general news at Myschool.ng. We love to encourage, empower, and reward students as the slightest opportunity we have. You can see that. Then let's scroll down a little bit. Okay, anytime you log to your Myschool dashboard, you may have noticed a green colored box tagged as earnings, and you wonder why it's either yellow zero or has a low figure. Well, that's just your own dashboard. You can see they're even going to pay you. Then let's go to number one, Myschool CBT challenge. So this is how you are going to earn money. You can see, although this program is organized yearly, November or December, you can participate in this program and they are going to pay you through this Myschool CBT challenge if you are in Nigeria. And the important one is get paid to post news from your school. On this Myschool dashboard, you can easily create a post, a viral, it can even be a viral post, or what people can be looking for about jump, about anything, about education, about entertainment, about trading news, viral news, or social media news. You can see we have now launched our earn as you post. You can now see earn as you post. You are going to earn as you post on this page. That is EAYP program to enable students get paid for any news that is uploaded and gets approved on Myschool.ng. Whatever news you have from your school, we are ready to pay for it at my school because we are committed to delivering. Not every site do this, but you are lucky that see, you don't even need a laptop. What you just need is to focus on the trending news. Any news can see. They don't even say maybe it's a must that you post education video. Okay, you post on the educational news. What you just need to do is to post anything. You can just go to maybe TikTok, Twitter, and pick this what this people say. This what is trending on Twitter. You can easily pick, or you can even follow a list of entertainer or a list of influencers on Instagram. What they post can post that in your own and just quickly post this on Myschool.ng and they are going to pay you. I assure you, they are even going to pay you in naira, and there's no need of document like to verify this, to verify that. There is even like a bonus to you. And number three is answer user questions on Myschool and get paid. You can see this number three is that when you see a question that people ask on this site, you are just what you just need to do is to give an answer to this question and they are going to pay you. You can see those Quora is, you can see a lot of sites, powerful sites like medium.com, like Quora.com is doing this also, but is based on location like country that you are doing that. And you can see, funny as it sounds, we pay any user for providing correct answers to the numerous questions. See, don't tell me that you are not making money online. There's a way, there's a way that you can make money online there's for you not to have and for you not to have a laptop is not an excuse for you. You don't need a laptop, just your phone and your data subscription. That is all. You are good to go. When you have all this, you can see and just answer a question. It can even be about anything, and you don't just need to I can't even crack my brain, I can't do that. What you just need to do is copy the questions and paste it to Google and see a lot of answer from that. You're just going to rewrite your own and post it. Boom, you are making money on Myschool.ng. And number four is become a post-UTME past question agent. Wow. We also introduced this program in 2018, and we also decided to keep this program as it is in the past our best interest for all students involved. We used to run this business alone as a company, but we have decided to open it up to students, individuals, business owners, and institutions. This will enable us to focus on offering more value to students using technology and our platform instead of running around the country to get past question. You can see you are just going to be become an agent, a pursuit me pass question like maybe 2018. It can even based on English, any subject that you know, mathematics. You can even put these words that are come out in the year maybe 2002, 2007, 2018, 2012, 2015, and you can post this on and Myschool.ng. They are going to pay you also. So that is, you can see that's a numerous way to earn money through this app. And number five is CPT agents for app and software. You can see this usually more lucrative as the time for the yearly JAMB UTME exam approaches. Yeah, the JAMB usually commence the registration from January to February 28th, and exam starts at April. So you can quickly do this. This is a business for you to do. You can reach this. I can see JAMB CBT software agent and become JAMB CBT mobile app agent. You can become any of the two. And I think this is the final part, which is the number sixth, and my school store merchant program. This is like a store. Some students have been silently using this facility to make money on my school dots. My school, it's basically a facility that lets you upload your material or any projects material or ebook. You can see like Amazon, you can write a book on Amazon and you are going to get paid. I think they are doing this also. You have rights to and earn money on every sale made from that material. In this program, you can earn as much as 70%. Wow, you can see a lot of money that you are going to earn from this, of the value of the material, while we help you promote the material for sale. This is just an added way of making money with your material and does not stop you from your other marketing campaigns. Check out all the details about you can make money from Myschool.ng. So that you have a Android phone, that's a mobile phone that can usually go to online well, that you can even use to browse. That is just what you need to do. You can see you can go and read this by yourself later, and you are going to understand this better, how these things work. This is not like a pioneer like paper, go and verify this before you get paid, or you need to transfer this, you need to do that. They are just going to pay you to your local bank straight, and by this you are going to earn money. I show you, if you are a person on social media that you are like in small influencers, maybe be on Facebook, or you are always active on Facebook. There's people like a blog post that they used to post on Facebook that you can just copy, not like copy, you are just going to rewrite it in your own format and boom, post it on Myschool.ng, and that way so you are going to make money online. And by all this means, if you take this seriously, you are going to earn money online, and I assure you that this is going to work for you. Even if you are in Nigeria, if you are a student, you are going to make a lot of profit. Students nowadays are quicking to any viral news, and they are just going to bring it up like before any other person take it. Can now see that Just use this platform way and you are going to make a lot of money. And by this you can now go and read this by your own. And I'm going to see my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video and it's helpful to you. I'm going to see my next video. Peace.